Hey, let me show you how to customize the edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So to do this, first of all, you can actually click on this icon, on the edit icon, and now you can actually add here some different apps. So if you want to remove like this default apps, just click on them, and now we can bring your favorite apps, like for example, Play Store, Galaxy Store, voice recorder, and the YouTube music. And now when you click on this all, you can also find the multi-windowed apps. So we can also select them. And now when you click on these three dots one more time, you can actually change the split screen view mode. So we can touch and hold. So basically drag the app to the part of the screen where we want to open it, or simply tap on it once. Also, we can turn on and off to show recent apps, and you can actually view the name of the applications. Now let's move forward, and when you click on this icon, you will actually get this like whole view of this mode. It looks a little bit like app drawer. And when you click on the settings icon, you will be redirected here, and you can add the different panels. So you can actually add here the people panel. That's actually the contacts, the smart selection, tasks, weather, tools, reminder, clipboard, the different things. Also, you can actually download new options from this Galaxy Store, but when you go into the display, scroll down and select the edge panel, you can also adjust these options from here, so you can change position of this panel to the left or the right side. You can also lock handle position. From here you can also change color, transparency, size, width, and you can also get the vibration when the handle is touched, like this. Now we can go back from this one, and when I click on it, I feel the vibration. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.